Welcome to the second video on nouns, nouns number 2, where we are going to go through and identify a few nouns together. I'm going to remind you of our definition of a noun, and it is a noun is a word that represents person, place, thing, or idea. So person, place, thing, or idea. Those four possibilities. Our directions say identify the nouns and selections below by circling each noun. So we're going to circle them. I'll circle the word nouns up here. It's more of an oval, but we're going to call it a circle for today. Okay, so sentence 1 reads, in 1992, a boatload of rubber ducks sailed from China to the west coast of America. Okay, now this one has quite a few nouns in it. 1992 is a noun because it's a year, and that makes it a thing. It's also kind of an idea of time. Boatload is a thing. Rubber ducks are things. Now you're going to notice on this one, I'm going to circle two words, and that's because this is an open compound. Rubber and ducks goes together. Okay, sailed from China, that's a place. And then to the west coast of America. And I'm going to need to circle all of the west coast of America because honestly, that is another open compound. We know that that one's an open compound of one place because of the capital letters. Okay, that's kind of like a first, middle, and last name. Okay, number 2, thousands of rubber ducks washed overboard in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Okay, well, again, I see rubber ducks again. Overboard. This is a place. It's the outside of a boat. In the middle. Middle is an idea of, and there's another open compound, Pacific Ocean. Okay, so finding nouns is probably getting fairly easy for you. So let's take a look. Number 3. The ducks floated from sea to sea. Okay, well, I think that we don't have rubber ducks this time, but ducks. And then they floated, that's a verb, they're doing that. From, that's a preposition, I want that. Oh, from a sea to a sea. Okay. Number 4, these wayward ducks traveled the same route as the infamous Titanic did at one point. Okay, so let me see. Ducks, those are things, living things. Traveled is a verb. Same. Oh, a route is a thing, kind of like the route you go to and from school, which is real short now. It's to your computer or device. That the infamous Titanic, that's the name of a famous ship that sank, but it's definitely a noun. And then did at one point, and a point is in this case, being used to mean a point in time. And number 5, the last one for today, once experts used the duck slick as a study tool. Okay, well, I'm going to circle experts because those are people. The duck slick, that's a thing. I'm picturing a bunch of ducks instead of an oil slick, a duck slick. And then a tool is a thing. So in that one, if you take a look, we found a bunch of nouns, remember, person, place, thing, or idea. And we did a fabulous job. You're probably going to find something similar of 6 through 10 on a Google form, which I'll count as a quiz, but not points for quiz, just a Google quiz. And you'll be able to identify the nouns in those sentences. So until we meet again, switch back to my cursor. Until we meet again, ciao for now.